Hi guys, hello. With my new fault video, I will tell you the solution of this fault and how to repair it step by step. Our printer had a faint writing problem. Let's see where the problem is. The first place to look is the toner drum. Even if the toner is changed, if there is no solution, it is necessary to look at the beam path of the laser unit. The problem is that a spider has made a nest inside our laser unit. Unfortunately, he must have died, along with the unfortunate white spider pups. It's a very sad situation. Now let's clean this place and reassemble it and try our device again. Yes, when we try, our writing comes out perfect. We have solved this problem. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for support purposes.